Hi there, and welcome to the video of the Shopify dropshipping tutorial. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create and set up a complete Shopify dropshipping store from scratch. We will add all the necessary elements to set up our store on the go in live actions through this video. Without further ado, let's start creating our website on Shopify completely free with the 14 days trial. I am going to add the 14 days free trial link for you in the video description. So after clicking on the link here, I am on the page of 40-day trial of Shopify. And now I am going to put my email address, password and store name. So let's put the email address which we have got. Then put a suitable password. And then here put your targeted store name. So I'm going to put Baby's Clothing. Alright, so the store name is available and then click on create your store. So our store is ready here on Shopify, as you can see. So let's give a little information about us to Shopify. So here, are you already selling? I would love to say I'm not selling products yet. Then do you have something to sell? We are going to select this one. I am still brainstorming ideas on what to sell. Then what is your current revenue? So as I'm from Bangladesh, I am seeing BDT. We are going to change this currency within few minutes. So I am actually going to select 0 BDT. And here, are you setting up a store for a client? If you are working for a client, then you can select this one. Otherwise, it's all right to keep as it is. Then click on next. Now we have to enter our address information along with our name. Then put city, zip code and other information. So let's put. And if you have a website, then you can put it. Otherwise, let's just keep it blank. Then click on enter my store. We are on the Shopify account homepage and now we'll be able to add product, customize theme, add domain, and we have got lots of options and things to go for to build up our Shopify dropshipping store. But before I talk about any other things, let's click on this online store. And it's already selected the themes, as you can see. And by default, Divot theme is selected as our main theme. And I really love this theme because easily customizable. I can set up simple but beautiful websites with Divot theme. But if you want to change the theme to any other theme, let me show you how you can do that. So go a little bit down. And if you want to play with the free themes, you have got the options. You just have to click on this explore free themes. But if you want to see the paid and free themes as well, then you have to click on this visit theme store. So you'll be landed here on this page and you just have to go a little bit down. Then click on this explore themes option. And here you will find all the free and paid themes available on Shopify. So you can choose whatever you want based on your need. But I always go with free themes because free themes are working fine for me. So click on free theme. And here we have got 8 themes. And I already talked about Divot. Divot is the great theme that I mostly use. All right, but you can also use Boundless and Brooklyn if you're interested. So for example, if you have selected Brooklyn to use for your store, then let me show you how you can change the theme from the default one. So just click on the theme and you will find 2 options. As you can see, 2 styles included. One is classic, which is this one. And you can also choose this one, playful. And you'll be able to view a demo by clicking here. As you can see, here is the demo of the website if you select this theme and if you want to customize it. Then if you have finally selected this one as your chosen theme, then just click on add theme and it will be added to your Shopify dashboard as your default theme. All right, so I'm actually not going to do that because I love Divot theme. So let's click on customize to start customizing it and let me show you the step-by-step process. So in a short glance, let me show you how our Divot theme is looking like as of now in the very next structure. All right, so here's the header section which has our logo or maybe business name. We have got menu section here, search bar and cart. And then we have got an image which has image with overlay. And here we have got some texts. We are going to edit these options within few minutes. All right. And after that we have got featured collection, which containing product image and product names and pricing, as you can see. And after that, one image with text, and then we have got another image slide. And after that we have got the footer section, which is containing a few links and a little bit about our business and a newsletter subscription option. Okay, so let me start customizing this theme from header section. We'll be able to change all of these elements available here in this header section. All right, so if you want to give the logo alignment to center alignment, then you can do that. Let's click on center, and it will be looking like this. So if you add a logo here, then it will be appeared here as well, but as I am just going with the business name, that's all fine. So it's looking like this, but it's not looking great here in this alignment, so I'm actually going to keep the left alignment. And then we have got the option for logo uploading. If you already have a logo, you can click on the select image and then you can upload the logo here. All right, but if you don't want, that's all fine, you can do that later. And if you want to give the custom logo white size, then you can do that as well. After uploading the image, then you can increase it or you can decrease it. So let's go here on this menu section. You can click on this change to edit the options. So by default, we want in the header section, we want our main menu. All right, so it's already selected here, as you can see, main menu. But if you select footer menu, we'll have only the search bar, which is appeared on the footer section here. Okay, so we actually don't want this one to be appeared on the main part here. So click on main menu again and click on select. And after that, we are going to have the announcement bar, which will be appeared here. So let me click on show announcement, and you'll find this bar appeared with a message here, as you can see. So in case you are giving something, maybe discount, or maybe you are going to give any message to all of your viewers, then you can do that. For example, I'm going to give an announcement for, let's say, 50% off code. Okay, so this is my announcement here, and we can add a link to this page as well. For example, if I just select products and select this all products as a link, then now this bar will be clickable. So anyone will be able to click on this bar and they will be able to find the product that we are talking about. All right, so I'm actually and another thing here, optional section, you will be able to change these colors of this bar and this text section by clicking here, as you can see. So let's make this color as an example, and we'll be able to change the text color as well. So let's give black color here. I don't know if it is going to be viewable. Yes, it is being viewable, but it's the worst color that I have selected for this background color. So let's just do this into the default option. All right, or we can just remove this announcement from our website as of now. So it's removed. Now let's talk about this menu section. Click on this edit menu. We want to add some menu sections or menu options here. And before actually we're going to, okay, so let's change this catalog to, let's see if we can put shop here instead of catalog. So let's click on this edits option. Then let's put shop. All right, and then click on apply change. Click on save. Now if we reload this page, we have to click on save. And if we just go to visit our page here, this option has been changed to shop. All right, so before we add menu section here, we have to create pages. All right, so it's all about the navigation bar here. And let's click on this page section. And now we have to click on this add page. And for example, if we want to create about us page, let's give a title to the about page here. Here is our story as the title of our about page, and I'm actually going to show you how it is going to look like within few minutes. Maybe you're being concerned about this written word, sorry, sentence, but actually it's going to look like great within few minutes. I'm going to show you. But let's collect some demo content from Lorem Spam for our About Us page, so it will look nice. All right, so let's collect these parts. Okay, copy and paste them here. Give a space and all looking good. Let's click on save. Okay, so we have just created our About Us page where we are talking about our business story. All right, and then we want to create another page, and to create another page we have to click on this button here, create another page, and we want to create this page for our Contact Us page. So let's select this option from here, template suffix to page.contact, and give the name here, got a question, let us know. All right, then just click on save. Our Contact Us page will be created and we are going to see the result within few seconds. Click on save. So now if we just go to this menu section where it is edit menu, then we'll be able to add the page here. All right, so let's click on add menu item and give it a name like About Us, and here we have to select the page. So click on page and here is our story and click on add. After that, let's add Contact Us page, Contact Us, click on link, select the page, and here is a get a question, let us know. All right, and click on add. Now click on this save button. All right, so the menu has been saved. If you just click on this eye icon here, let's delete this for now, and let's keep this Lorem Spam here, so it will be useful within few minutes. All right, so here is our website as of now after doing all that works. And now if we just click on this About Us page, then just take a look. If we are putting About Us on our page creation section, that it will be repeated here, About Us will be here. All right, so actually it's looking much better with this writing. Here is our story, and then write something about your business, background of yourself, background of your business, right? Then it's looking nice. And if you just click on this Contact Us page, here as you can see, got a question, let us know. Instead of Contact Us written here again, as we have put it this part on our About Us, the page title, right? So you are seeing this option here, got a question, let us know. And then here's our Contact Us page or contact option. Okay, we have worked on our navigation bar. Let's move back here. Let's reload, or actually let's reload this page. And for now we are done with the header section, but let's move on with this part. Actually I actually don't want this image and text option appeared here. Instead I would love to add the slider option here. So we have actually got a slider option here in this part on the bottom section, but we want to place it into the top part, right? So let's just drag it from here to the top section, and it would be placed in our top section, as you can see, slideshow. And I don't want this part to be viewable here. We can place it into the down section, or we can also hide this option from our theme, right? So click on this eye icon, so it will be hidden. Now it's not being appeared anymore. So let's customize this slider option. So click on slideshow, and here is slide height, adapt to first page. It will cover all the page, okay? And then we'll also be able to select small, a little bit smaller, and then also have medium and large option, but I'd love to go with small. And here we have got the option for text size. Medium is always best. All right, so click on medium. Then text alignment, it is always best to keep it on the middle section if you want to keep any text. And then here we have got show overlay. If we just deselect this one, these overlays will be moved, but we want to keep overlays. And auto rotate sliders, we want these sliders to be work automatically without clicking on these icons, right? So and to do that, we just have to click on this auto rotate slides option, and let's keep it to 5 seconds, so we can also move to 3 seconds as well. So now we have to add the background image, so let's do that. We can click on this image slide, the first slide. So click, and if you have already images selected on your computer, then you can just upload them by clicking here. All right, otherwise you can just click on this explore free image section and click on this option. Then you will find lots of free images from Shopify. All right, so I'm actually going with the selected image, or actually downloaded image, which I already have in my computer. So click on select, then upload. Then let's select here this one. Okay, select, and let's see. Yes, if it is, although it just got some cutoff here on the bottom part, but we are going to keep this image as an example. And then click on select, and after that we'll be able to change these text options. All right, we can change the text to like sweet honey. This is just a demo text. All right, just you can put or customize for your need. So I want to replace this one, and let's put subheading like loves to smile. All right, so this could be a subhead or subheading, and you can remove this exclamatory from here. And then we can also add a button here. For example, if I want to shop now button here, shop now, and let's select a product page. For example, as we don't have a product already, so we can actually select this demo product section, all products, and you'll find this button here. So let's keep it as it is for now, but let's add our second image on the second slideshow here. So click on image, slideshow, then select image, and upload the image that you want to put here. So upload. All right, so this one is looking really nice. As you can see, this is a cute baby. So we are going to click on select, and let's change the name, or change the heading and subheading from here. I love this baby, or just this text here, right, as an example. Or we can actually remove these headings and subheadings, and we are not going to add anything like shop now as well. Just to show you in real life here, it has some text and shop now button, and it doesn't. So let's just keep it as it is now. All right, so we can also, if you want to increase the slide numbers, for example, we have got 2 image slides, but if you want to add more, we can click on this add image slides, so it will be appeared here. So it will be the number of slides will be increased. All right, so let's just click on save and click on this back arrow. Let's work on our featured collection. So now it's time to add our products. All right, add products to our store to customize our store and give it a good look. We already have some products selected. These are the products we have selected in our previous video to upload and to use on our Shopify store as a demonstration purpose. So now I'm going to show you how to add these products with Oberlo. So click here on this Shopify icon, and then we have to click on this apps button. Click on Oberlo dropshipping app. Click on add app. And then go a little bit down, select or install this install app. So here we are on the Oberlo dashboard page. We have already connected our store into the Oberlo app, and then we have got our options to explore products. So click on explore products. But before we go for product edition, we want to add Google Chrome extension for Oberlo as well. So it will make our way much easier. So let's find out Oberlo Chrome extension, and here is the extension. Click on add to Chrome, add extension. So now our extension has been added to our Chrome browser. To reload this page, reload this page, we are going to see this button, as you can see here, push this product to Oberlo. So we'll be able to add this product by one single click directly to our Shopify store. So let me show you this process. So here, to add products on our Shopify store, we have some options, but among them, let's try the first one, which I always do. Click on this, push this product to Oberlo, and it will be added. As you can see, product imported successfully. So we want to add all of these products. So push this product to Oberlo. All right, so 2 products, and then click on this again. So all of these products are now in our import list. Let's go here and remove these options. Okay, so now we don't need to keep our AliExpress page anymore. All right, so I've just omitted these parts, and if you just notice here, we have got these products into our Oberlo import list. As you can see, the first product, the second product, and the third product here, right? So now we'll be able to edit each of these listings to optimize these with our SEO optimization and listing optimization to give our store as an authentic look. All right, and by default it just collected the title which is on the AliExpress listing. For example, if I just open this original product here on a new tab, then this is how it is actually on AliExpress. So view product on AliExpress, you will notice all the information. This is the title what Oberlo has collected. So in this case, we have to optimize this title. We have to edit this title to give the better look or a authentic look of our title here. And we'll also work on description because we want to make it as authentic as possible and as beautiful as possible for our customers. All right, so actually user friendly as possible for our customers. So let's click on this product option here, and then we'll be able to change the title. So let's copy this full title, and I'm actually going to open Notepad here and paste it here, and let's read this title here. 2020 spring autumn newborn baby clothes unisex coat baby. Okay, so newborn baby coat, these are my keyword. Baby boy ramparts kids costume for girl infant jumpsuit. So I'm actually going to put coat for newborn baby. All right, so this is going to be my product name here or title, which is short and going to work fine for us. Coat for newborn baby, cute coat. So we can put cute coat for newborn baby, and then we can select the collection here. So as we didn't created any collections page, we can just select the home page, and then we can select the type. For example, clothing is the type, and create type clothing. All right, and then tags, we want to give it a coat, or maybe let's say coat. Create that tag coat, and then clothing. This is for when someone is going to make a search from our website through, let me show you, through this search bar, or from this search bar our product will be appeared on the search result for these tags. All right, so let's just move on. Let's click on description, And we want to give a really great looking description here. But for example, I don't want to waste time, so I'm actually going to copy paste some lorem ipsum text from here. Copy, and going to write, let's say this is a little description of my product. Here we have to put the benefit of this product, why the parents or maybe whoever going to purchase this product for a baby, why they should choose this product. It should be written here in a very short para. All right, and then we can take these or keep these features here, or otherwise we can also just remove them, and we can put some bullet points. Okay, let's just keep these. Okay, so you can put some other bulleted points here as well, so it will look much better. Okay, so we can remove these parts as of now, and we can also add a trust page here, but I don't use this trust base anymore. So let me show you what I mean by trust base. So Shopify payment trust page, payment trust. Okay, and trust base, this trust base. Okay, so I actually don't, I no longer use these pages because I'm not getting any benefit from this page. All right, so I'm just keeping it as it is, and then click on this option on variants. It already collected. Oh, so I didn't change the currency, so I just have to go here on this settings page, and then I have to click on this general option, and I have to go a little bit down, and here as you can see, to store currency we have to select this one and change to US dollars. All right, then click on save, and we are all good to go here. If we just reload this page, so now let's click on the variations or variants, and you will find these informations as you can see. And if you just notice here, the suggested price is 15.99 for it's showing us from Oberlo directly. So let's just do this. Click on this set as this pricing. So all of this pricing will be updated at one click, as you can see. Also, if you want to change this one here as a compare price means you will be able to show a product as a sale price. So we are actually going to work on the normal thing. So let's click on this image part here, then select which image we want to upload on the listing. So I don't want this image, and I don't want this one as well. I don't want these images as well. Instead, I want this image and this one as well. Okay, so you can select the best image that you are seeing here and remove the ones that you don't want to put in your listing. All right, so after editing all the things, then you just have to click on import to store, and it's being imported. And well, while it is being imported, let's work on this socks product. So I'm going to copy. It's already been selected, so let's just click on this import to store, and we have got 3 products already added on our Shopify store. So I did the exact thing for all of these listings as I have shown on the first listing. All right, so let's just go back and let's check out our store now. Just reload the store, and we are going to see some products appeared here. All right, so now we want to make these listings looking much nicer here. So to do that, we can edit the product on Shopify directly from here, or maybe we can also select them from our editing section. All right, so let's go here and then click on these products, and then we can select any product that we want to edit. So let's click on the first one. I want to change the main image that is appearing here. All right, so I'm going to go a little bit down and select a beautiful one. Maybe we can select this one, or let's select this one as the main image that is appearing here. All right, and then we can see all images or more images from here if we want to get some more options. So this one is looking good. I can keep it as it is, and then we have to click on this all products again to edit our next product, which is this one. We want to keep another beautiful image here. This one, okay, so this one has some other image, but we want this image to be only a single image. So oops, so let's select this one as an example. So drag it here and it's being added. As you can see, image order saved. Or maybe we can try this image. All right, so let's go for another product. We can go by clicking here on this right arrow or next arrow, or from this all product section. All right, so I've just clicked on next arrow and it is loading the next product here. And let's go a little bit down, find the product that you want to add here. So I actually want to add this product as an example. All right, so we have just rearranged the products or the main image. And now if we just reload this page, here is how our store is looking like as of now. All right, so this title got a little bit longer, so I want to change this title as well. So let's go cool looking comfortable socks. Click here, just cool looking socks for infant. Comfortable socks for infant. Click on save and let's see how it is looking like now. Saved slowly. So here we have got these parts added, and actually the header section is not really matching up with my product image. So I want to remove this part, or we can also find some other image to make it look better and make it look matching up with the products or listings. But as it is not matching, I don't want to spend much more time, or actually I don't want to waste your time actually. So I'm actually going here on this online store and going to click on customize, and we can actually hide this section. So now here is how is our store looking like, and we have lots of things to do. We will okay, so let's just try. We are going to add image and text here on this field, and then we'll add actually two images. All right, just like this one. And we need to add our privacy policy page, we need to add our refund policy page and other settings. So it's already been a big long video, but let's go on. So let's work on this image now. So we want to click on this image with text, which is this one, and let's find an image. For example, if I want to add this image here, so I have to download this image, and to download this image, just simply open this product here on a new tab and select the image, and then open this image in a new tab. And if it is going to be savable, just click on save. Otherwise you can take a screenshot from here. All right, so I already have this image downloaded on my computer, and if you just notice, that's a great thing here. If you just notice, our product listing is looking really nice. Just let me know if I'm wrong here. Otherwise, I think it is really looking nice. As you can see, we have got a beautiful looking description, demo, and then we have got bullet points as well. We have got the sharing options as well. So we're going to talk about these features, where we'll find these features within few minutes. So let's move back here. Let's upload the image here. So click on select image, upload, and here is the image that I want to add. Click on select, and then we have the option to work on these parts. So if you want to give the alignment of this image into the right part, then we have the option, as you can see here, click on right, it will be appeared here, but it's not going to look nicer as or this image is appeared here. So we want to keep it in left side, and then let's put this heading section or change this heading text to the name. As you can see, quote, cute quote for newborn baby, and then change this part, or actually add some description. Maybe we can add this description from here, or we can write a short description for this part. Oops, we need only this part, and upload. We can remove this one. All right, so let's just take a look here how it is looking like, and we can actually put a short description for this part. Okay, and click to learn more. All right, so this is how it is going to look like, and let's put a button below. We can put shop now or learn more, whatever we want, and then we can just select this product image or product page. So now we'll have the option, click on products, and here's the product that we want to assign with this image. So click here, and now shop now. So we don't want this text anymore. All right, so now it is looking much better, and we can click on this, actually give a space or few space, and let's say I wanted to give the shop button a little down or bottom part, but it's not working, but it's all fine. So now we have got this image appeared here. Now if I want to add another image, let's say for this product in this field, okay, so the image should be in the right side and the text should be in the left side. How we can do that? We can do that simply by, let's click on this back arrow button, click on this add section, and then image with text overlay or image with text, maybe image with text, click on it, and here we go, we have got the option. Now we want to place this image into the right side, and to do this we just have to click on add button first. All right, and then we have to click on this image alignment to right, and here we go, we have got the option, and we can add our image, which is, let's say I have selected one, this one, just open, and just click on select, and then we can change the text from here. So let's find the product, shop, and here's the product. So let's just open this one, clothing set for infants, and go here, change this text, and we can also copy the description from here for our image. Where it is, here it is. Okay, here's the description, copy and paste it here as you want. All right, and again we will be able to add the button, so it is looking much bigger here. So as always, we want to keep a short description here. All right, so I'm going to delete some parts, and then let's add a button here, shop now, and give the button link from products and select clothing for infants. All right, so This is how our store is looking like as of now, and let's keep this format. Now the most important parts, let's click on the back arrow button. Let's see if we have anything else here, or actually let's talk about this theme section. Then we are going to talk about the important part. So in the theme section, you'll be able to choose the color of the background, heading image, body, sale price, etc, etc. As you can see, the bottom colors and other informations, as you can see, just play with these color things. But I think this website or this design is looking nice with the colors and other things, so I'm actually keeping as they are. But if you want to make the change, you just have to play with these options. All right, and then let's move back on the typography. You'll be able to change the font of these main headings and buttons fonts, main body text fonts, and other options, as you can see. So just play with this. And in the social media, you always try to keep these options selected. As you can see, social sharing options, it should be selected always. So whenever someone visits any product page, they will have the option to share on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and other options. So let me just make it to not disturb mode to 4 hours. Okay, so just keep this selected. And then we have got social accounts. So if you just add our social accounts, if you want to add our social accounts in this part, then we can do that as well. So let's put a demo account here, TWI, or let's put it into TW. Let's see if it is going to work. Or actually we have to put our twitter.com/test, and we are going to put the same here, facebook.com/test, then pinterest.com/text, instagram.com/text. All right, so let's keep as they appeared here. They'll be updated soon. Okay, so they just already appeared, so they're appeared here. So you can add your social signals or social media profiles on the bottom by working on this social media option. All right, so let me go back again to see if anything else. No. Okay, click on save to keep the change that you have just done. Then we have got the favicon section. Favicon means when we are visiting canva.com, here I am visiting canva.com, we are seeing an icon here. This is called favicon. And when we are visiting this Shopify website, then we are seeing this Shopify icon here. So we can also add an icon which is 32 into 32 pixels. We have to create one, then we'll be able to add this icon into our website section here. All right, then just move back, and here add to cart notification, show notification when item is added to cart. Well, let's select this one, and on checkout option you'll be able to add banner or background image on your checkout options if you have image selected already. All right, so whenever someone is going to place an order, they're going to see the banners or backgrounds appeared on the checkout option. So you can have the options, as you can see. You can select your logo as well, or actually add your logo as well on the checkout page, so that you'll be most trustworthy. All right, so here we have got positions, etc. I actually don't use these things. All right, so I'm actually going to ignore, and let's go. We're done with the parts of these theme settings. Now let's move on to the important settings, which are, click on this Shopify icon and will be landed here. So let's talk about this blog post. So many of the people actually use this blog post section to get their website ranked on Google or maybe Yahoo or Bing or whatever search engine they are interested about. So to get ranked on Google or whatever search engine, you just have to create some of the blog post, and it is really great thing to get free sales which will be generated through blog post directly. All right, so but it's a long-term process. If you want to create blog post, it should be unique, it should be keyword friendly, it should be SEO friendly, all right, then it will take some time to get ranked, and you will start getting free visitors on your website and free sales. All right, so I actually don't want to create a blog post right now. And page section, I already showed. I have created these 2 pages, and then we have added them into our navigation section, okay, on our main menu. All right, so now let's click on domain. If you want to add a custom domain, and we are actually going to add a custom domain, because we are not going to be able to generate lots of sales by using this domain, and we actually need to add a custom domain here. And for this, we can click on this buy new domain, so that you will have the option to purchase domains from Shopify directly. Or if you already have a domain, then you can click on this connect existing domain. All right, so let's go back here and click on this preferences. And here you have to put your metadata, title and meta description, for better ranking on Google. All right, so as you can see, title, homepage title, you have to optimize your title based on your niche or website that you are creating about, and then give a good description which is going to contain your targeted keywords and the important aspects of your website, right? On regard of getting rank on Google or maybe other search engines. So here we have got Google Analytics option as well. So through Google Analytics, we'll be able to track our visitors. Like, we'll be able to make some customized marketing campaigns to actually target them in our campaigns. So let me show you how to add your Google Analytics account here. So first of all, you will actually have to create a Google Analytics account. So make a Google search here, Google Analytics, and we are going to create one. And I'm actually going to remove these parts. All right, so click on this Google Analytics search result. And I'm actually already signed in with one of my account, but I want to create with my new account, which is for this website which we are working on. All right, just click on start measuring, and my new account name, so I'm actually going to put like Baby's clothing, and we don't want to get these notifications. Click on next. And what do you want to measure? We want to measure web. Selected already, then click on next. And then here we have to put our website name. Again, the name is Baby Clothing. All right, and then the address which we have here, babies-clothing.myshopify.com. As of now, we will change this later after adding our custom domain. So paste it here, only this part after HTTPS. All right, and then select industry. You can select beauty and fitness or whatever it is, it doesn't matter really. And click on create. And now read these Google Analytics terms of service agreement. After reading, click on I also accept the data processing terms, and then click on I accept. Now just click on no thanks. So let's just copy this script from here. Copy and go back to this page, paste the code in this place, and we just have to click on save. And here we go, our analytics has been set up. Now we have got the option for Facebook pixel. So to get a Facebook pixel, we need an ad account. So as we haven't yet created an ad account for this business already, so I don't want to go for it because it is going to take a long time. All right, so but this is an easy process. We might going to show the process in a future video. So let's go here, password protection. This is the password. Let's change it to 12345 or 12345. So this is password protected because we are using the 14-day free trial, so that you will have to pick a plan before you'll be able to access this website without a password. So let's give our visitors a message here. please use 12345 as your password. All right, click on save. So now if someone is going to visit our website, let me show you. Copy and go to incognito mode and hit enter. If someone is going to visit this web store, then they are going to see this option. As you can see, baby's clothing coming soon. And then as I have just entered this option, as you can see, please use this password, they just will be able to copy this password from here, enter using password, paste this password, or actually 12345 they will just type out, then click on enter. Then anyone will be able to get access to our website. And as you can see, here is the website that we have just created. Very simple looking. So whenever you are designing a website, make sure it is looking as simple as possible, because simple looking websites are generating thousands of dollars. So let's just go for these parts. These are really important. We have got many things to do here. So let's move back here, and we are done with the preferences page. And let's see customers analytics, we don't want to use them right now. Discounts, no. Apps, so we are going to add some of the apps here, but not now. Let's talk about these settings options. These are really important. Click on this general setting to see if we can find an important page, or actually any important settings. So here we'll be able to change your store name. From here you'll be able to change your email address and store address as well, the legal name of business. So actual legal name, if you have a legal name, that you can put it here, but I want to put it as it is here. And here your address information and other details, standard time format, and these are really not, doesn't matter here. All right, just click on save and move back to the next setting, which is payment providers. As I don't have PayPal, I have only one option. I'm from Bangladesh and PayPal is not yet supported on Bangladesh. So I have only one option, which is to checkout, and I'm going to add it later. Just click on this. If you're from a country where PayPal is supporting, then you can just click on this activate PayPal Express checkout. So it will be activated. And then you just have to click on this. If you're not being able to use this feature, then try this one, choose third-party provider, and you will find lots of options. As you can see, to check out, this one is what I use. All right, so and then you'll find lots of options to choose from as well, ePay, then Doku, other options, which is convenient for you, just use it. So for me, to check out is the option. All right, so I'll have the option to put my merchant code, secret word, etc, etc, and I'll be able to choose the options from where I want to receive the payments from. All right, then I will have to click on this activate to checkout. All right, and I'll do that later. So let's move on. And here for payment capture, I always keep it to automatic. All right, then click on save. And after that, let's move on to the next setting, which is checkout. And here customer accounts. If customer want to create an account, then it's always good. So I always keep this option. Accounts are optional, but you can also select accounts are disabled. But if you open this one, accounts are required, then they are going to be bored, and they are going to leave your website and go find the product on another place, because people are really lazy. They don't want to spend some time on some task, and we actually don't need these options as well. So let's go here, customer contact. To check out, customer can check out either their phone number or email. So we can put this as it is. And then to receive shipping updates, customer can choose to add a phone number or email to receive shipping updates. So I want to select this option. So as I don't have the arrive app, so let's do it. And here form option, whenever they are typing out the information, if we are going to collect their first name or last name, or maybe first and last name, so it's already selected required last name only, but I want to get their first and last name. All right, so we'll be able to send them some targeted campaigns as well, and it will be in need of putting out the order on AliExpress. All right, so then company name, it should be hidden, no problem. Address line to optional. Shipping address, phone number, it is going to be required. All right, and order processing, while the customer is checked out, use the shipping address as the billing address by default, it's all right. And then we don't want this one. Okay, and after an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the orders line items. No, do not automatically fulfill any order of the orders line item. We want to do this manually as the starting. Okay, then after, when we learn more about these Shopify things, then we'll actually going to do it automatically, but we don't want it as of now. So after an order has been fulfilled and paid, automatically archive the order. So whenever we're completing an order, it should not be listed on our open orders list. Okay, so let's just select this one as it is. And email marketing, here to collect our target, or actually collect our customers email address and other informations for our future email marketing, we should collect their email, and we should just make them sign up into our newsletter. All right, so show a sign up option at checkout, pre-select the sign up option. So we want to select this one, pre-select sign up option set there. By default they will be pre-selected for to joining into our email list, but they, if they want to uncheck the option, they will have the option as well. So this is a win-win situation here. So checkout language, I have got it on English, but if you want, you can change it from here. Click on save, and let's go to the other settings, which is shipping. Create a new profile, and we want to give a profile name here, for example United States. And here on the shipping to zone, we have to create a profile here, like zone name USA, and put United States because we want to ship here on this location. And we have to click on add rate here, and rate name is standard. This is the shipping rate, all right, and we want to keep only $3 for shipping. Click on done. All right, and let's create another shipping zone for worldwide location. So let's put worldwide, and rest of the world, done. Add rate standard, and we want $7 to rest of the world for shipping price. All right, so now let's click on save, and then let's go to click on this shipping option, and let's go to taxes. And one important thing, I'm from Bangladesh, so it's already automatically selected the option. So you will have to set up based on your targeted location. It depends on your location and your target market. All right, so you can do that by doing some research, and then click on this locations, and I have to click on this add a location. These are actually for the to let our customers know, or actually let Shopify know or Oberlo know that we have an inventory in that specific place. So as our inventory in China, so I'm actually going to put China, but many people post a location like United States as well here. So address line, we just want to keep it as it is, it doesn't matter here, but we can select a specific address when we can select a good vendor from AliExpress. All right, so we can also be able to deactivate location from here, but we don't want to do that right now. So click on back, and I have got notification, and here is the notification that how your customers will get emails about. So whenever they will get an order, or actually place an order, they will get a notification. Order edited, they will get a notification. And here you just have to make it as per your your convenient, that how you want to interact with your customers, right? So I don't want to work on them. Okay, so let's click on the next option. Files, these are actually all about our uploaded image, videos, or any other document which we have uploaded from our computer. So if you just click here, then you will see here the image that we have uploaded previously. So click back and sales channels. So here on sales channels, by default we are with online store, but we can also integrate our Shopify store with other sales channels. Just click on this button and you will find this option like Facebook shop, Amazon, buy button, Messenger, Instagram, eBay. All right, so you have to select whatever you want and you have to integrate based on the instructions these are going to come along. All right, and let's move to the next settings here, which is plan and permission. And in this page you'll be able to add your stuffs. For example, if you want to hire someone to manage your order fulfillment, manage your product addition or product listing, then you can add by clicking on this option. All right, so I don't want to work, or I don't want to add any stuff, so I'm actually going to move back. So I just showed the work of this option here, and we'll also be able to change the plan from here, current plan, as you can see. All right, so actually get the information, compare plans. Then let's move back, go to billing option, and here is the option where you have to add our card information to pay our monthly bill or apps bill, whatever it is coming along with our Shopify store management. We have to add our card and it will be debited by based on the fees that we are going to owe on Shopify. All right, so that's it for this part. Now let's move back. So let's click on legal, one of the most important part of our Shopify store. All right, so Shopify has this great feature. It will automatically generate this refund policy page, privacy policy, terms of service, and other information for us. So let's just click on create from template, and let's click on create on template, and read these overviews. All right, read these overviews and see if you need to make any change. For example, here it already selected my email address. It also took my business name as well when it's required. So just read these details and see if anything need to be changed. If needed, then make the change, otherwise just go with them. And then we can also put a shipping policy here. For example, we can put our products. All right, so this is the shipping policy that we should place. So most people doesn't even read this part. All right, but this is really important to keep on your website in case you are being late on delivering any product, so that actually we are going to show this page. Okay, so click on save, and let's go to this settings page again, and we have done all the things that were required. So now let's just open this page. We have to enter the password again, 12345, enter. All right, so here is our store, and we have to add these links here that we have just created, legal links, into this place. So let's do this. We have to go to this online store and then go to navigation, then go to footer menu, and here we have to put, like, let's see what else. We have to click on this add menu item and then privacy. So write privacy policy and then select the legal policies page, select privacy policy, click on add, then add menu item again, and from here select the terms of service. Again, go to links, policies, shipping policy, add, and again we want to go from here so that we don't have to write it on the top. All right, so now let's just rearrange them. From terms of service should be in the top, sorry. Okay, and privacy policy, refund policy. Okay, so let's keep it as it is, and we don't want this search bar here, so we want to delete this one. And that's it. Just click here on this save button, and now if we just reload this page, we're going to see this. All right, so we want to remove this one to quick page to important page, and to do this we have to click on themes, customize, go to this footer section, and here is the quick links. Just remove this one to important pages. All right, and that's it. And here, talk about your business, a brief about your business. Just write a brief about your business here. So let's our story and put a little like as we have done. So let's put this part from here, and then on the newsletter you can customize this part as well. It is always best to collect their email address, and to make them put this email address, we want to give them some incentives here. Sign up and get 10% off, and we want to make it looks good. All right, and that's it. Now we can just click on this save button, and if we just click on theme settings again, let's see what if we are just missing out anything. No, everything is looking nice here. And now if we just visit our store from here, visit our store, we might have to put our password again, maybe. No, as we already did for first time. So here we have successfully created this beautiful store, as you can see, and we have got all the necessary settings that required. All right, and now let me talk about some extensions that will be helpful for you to run your Shopify store properly or easily, maintain easily. All right, so let's talk about them. We are going to remove this one, go to this app section, and we want to download few apps, and to get them, click on this visit the Shopify App Store, and you'll be landed here. Then we have to find a tool, or actually extension, which is named upsell. We go recommendations and hit enter, and you'll find this tool here as it is, upsell recommendations. Just click on it and add this app to your store. So it will be give our customers their personalized product recommendations. All right, so click on install, which will increase our sales count or sales number. And let's move on. Let's do the setup here. Click on just skip, and we want upsell products to be showed on cart page only. All right, so let's keep it as it is. And we also want to get a pop-up window for email verification, sorry, not email capture. All right, so that will help us build our email list, which is really important, so that whenever one customer purchases from you once, you'll be able to market your new product or hot selling product for after a few days. And as they have already purchased from you, as they have received a product from you, they will have the trust on you. And whenever you are going to send a promotional email, if they are interested about the product, they are going to purchase it from you. And this is a really great way of generating lots of sales. All right, so let's click on these pop-ups, and it will lead us to Monk, maybe. Let's see, yes, OptiMonk, and add this app to your store. So let's install app. And here we have to create an account. So I'm going to create an account with my Shopify email address that I have entered here. So I'm going to click on Google and welcome Ajharul. I'm Monk. Okay, so e-commerce business, select the business type. Obviously it is e-commerce, just getting started. It is going to take some time and this is really boring to me because next. So we want to set it up, new campaign. We want to take the email capture option, so click here and then maybe let's select from any of these templates from here. So let me select this one as an example. Okay, so click on select and we can, my campaign name, baby's clothing, and we can actually give email from the pop-up. All right, and this one is already selected. Click on next. And now we have to change this image or customize this post as we want. So let's click here on the image, then click on this plus, then click on upload new image, and then select the image that you want to upload. So I want to upload this image as an example. Select use image, and if you want to resize this image then you can do this, but we want it a little bigger. Okay, that's looking good. And here we can edit our tags. Sign up now for, let's say, 10% discount or 20% discount, whatever you want, and then add and get immediate access to our latest offers. That's a catching text here, and we want their first name and email address. Then they will have this option to subscribe, and you'll be able to change this text color and button colors as well, but we don't want to spend more times. These are easy, just use this options, toolbar option, as you can see. All right, and then click on this next button, and let's put when to show on exist intent, or you can also select like both devices. Click on save, and we actually want to add new trigger. Here are the options, as you can see, on click to specific area after X% scrolling. So we want to select this one, or after X seconds, this would be a good option. So click, and we want this to be appeared after they are visiting our website after 5 seconds, and click on save. All right, so we have got two triggers, and if you want, we'll be able to add more, but we don't want any more for now. So click on save. Just take a look and just try out some of these features. All right, so you'll be able to learn more, and you'll be able to create a great actually we are going to be able to generate great results from these features. All right, so now let me show you how these tools are going to look like. And actually we have lots of other apps out there that we have to use in coming days, but for a beginner, these tools are actually the tools I have just mentioned and showed are actually the key ones that we want. All right, so let's just activate this optmonk admin. So we have just selected the trigger on this page, and then we just have to click on this activate option. As you can see, it is activate now. And now if we go to incognito mode and visit this web page, enter, and you will find that the tool will start working. Here we go. Within after visiting 5 seconds, maybe we are getting this email sign up form. So now our customer will be able to put their email address, first name here. For example, I'm putting mine and then email. All right, just they will be able to now click on subscribe, and though we'll have their email address in our mailing list, so that you'll be able to promote our product in future campaigns. And as you can see, sign up now for your 10% off, so that people will see this 10% off or maybe 20% off, and they're going to be willingly provide us their email address to us. All right, so this is what this tool, let me show you, this tool will do for us. Okay, so really helpful. Just learn about these tools, and we have many more to go, as I have just mentioned. All right guys, so finally let me recap this video by reviewing our website once again. So what we have done, we have worked on the header section, we have added our featured collection, we have added these images with tags, and as you can see, we have added this important page. All right, and our story, and here's the email sign up button here. All right, so it's a very simple looking but very effective website it's going to be. All right, so whenever someone will coming to our website, they are going to love these products. And actually there are only 3 products, but we are going to find many more products just like these cute products, and then we are going to add them into our store, so that whenever we'll promote our website to any of the peoples or any of the customers, they are going to love at least one or many of our products. All right, so that it will help us grow our sales count. So that was it guys. I hope I was able to show you everything regarding setting up a Shopify store, and I have covered everything that I know. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you very much for being along with me for this much or this far. And congratulations, actually many of the peoples actually doesn't even care about ending a course or ending a video to learn all the steps. So you made it and you did it. So it's time to try it out, try harder, never give up, never ever give up. Okay, so if you're not being able to successful with one niche, then try another. This is how you actually have to find your profitable niche, and then you have to implement your lessons which you have found from failing or maybe found from trying. You have to implement these lessons to make it better for the next store or maybe next niche. And I know many people who really got their success on their first attempt. They just learned the things very effectively. All right, so they just learned the things first, then they just started investing their money, and they tried their best, and this is why they're successful now. So I hope you very best. I believe you are going to be a successful entrepreneur with dropshipping business model. All right, as you can see, as you know, this is a very easy to go with and easy to start. A little investment is required only. So I am hoping to see your success, and thank you very much for being with me. And please don't forget to try this right now. You will get the 14 days free trial based link in the description. Just use it, start making your first website right now. So never ever keep today's work for tomorrow, right? So this is the way how you can grow. So thank you very much once again.